Well, you're a beginner, you want to learn tailoring, you need the pattern design, what you're going to cut out. To cut out the pattern for bib and the pattern for sleeveless waist. Okay, then you need a small sewing machine, you need matching thread, and you need this chalk for tracing your design on the cloth. And yes, many a times we struggle with how to pick up a needle when it drops. The best way, have this so that you can pick up your needle when it drops down easily. You don't have to struggle searching for them. And these are the basic requirements that you normally need: thread, needles, the finger, and buttons, hooks. And here are some more how the silk thread looks. Silk threads, and you have these silk threads are used for embroidery. You can use it for, and yes, most important of all is not to forget how to thread your needle. You can use this, or you can use the pony anchor thread needle threader. It will make it easier for you to put in your thread into the needle. And here is the fabric for the bib, the material, how you have to cut it out. It is cut out, you keep it two-fold, and this is the size you need for babies. And then you have the waist, front and back two pieces, that is double fold. This is also a double fold coat, and front and back, and that's how you will cut it out. And then you will have the final finish, something like this. Now, if you're a beginner, you wonder what to do, what do you need, what else you need. You need these pins, you need safety pins, you also need these. While stitching, you need these, and then you need the chalk, you also need the measuring tape, and you will also need scissors, tailoring scissors. This is the basic that you need to start off with your tailoring or stitching exercise. You're a beginner, you can do it with the pattern, with the design once it's ready. Thank you.